Do you enjoy woodworking?
Yes, it is one of my favorite activities.
How did you get into woodworking?
A friend introduced me to it.
Is woodworking expensive to start?
Not really, you can begin with basics.
How often do you practice woodworking?
About 3 times a week.
What do you need for woodworking?
Just some simple supplies to begin.
Can beginners try woodworking?
Absolutely, everyone starts somewhere.
Where can I learn woodworking?
There are great online tutorials.
What do you like most about woodworking?
It helps me relax and be creative.
I want to try woodworking someday.
You should start this weekend.
Woodworking is such a rewarding hobby.
I agree, it brings me so much joy.